So, you need a steel building. You need something strong, durable, and weather-resistant. But you don't want to cut out curb appeal either. Well, Rabco is your company to achieve that. Every steel building is unique. It starts with expert planning. With many years of experience in the design and construction of pre-engineered metal building packages, we know what works, and more importantly, what doesn't work. By using our staff engineers and designers, we can quickly take your idea and turn them into a conceptual drawing that allows you to visualize the building project you dream of. At Rabco, we know the importance of building strong and durable structures. That's why we use only high-quality steel and metal. No matter what your needs, we have many different customizable options between color options, door types, framing systems, drainage systems, and much more. This makes your building uniquely yours. And since Rabco is a full-service provider, you don't have to worry about finding a contractor to get your steel building constructed. Our installers are certified to ensure your building is built correctly and up to code. Your steel building can have it all: strength, durability, and beauty. With the help of Rabco, we can help build the structure of your dreams, and it will stand strong for many years to come. Rabco, innovative metal building systems. Call us today to get your project started.